which video this going and shit. This might be the intro to a new video. I don't know. But y'all been here before, man. Welcome. But if y'all ain't been here before, man. Wait, no. If y'all been here before, welcome back, man. But if y'all ain't been here before, welcome. Yeah, man. Tonight we is going to head down to Miami. Yeah, bro. Long story short, you feel me? There's three of us. I'm with the M's tonight. Like I said, the M's. That way Adrian dropped the whip. Shit crazy. So we finna go see that way whip. And then yeah, bro, we finna have a little cruise in Miami, get some rollers, get some pigs. Y'all boys know, man. Y'all can't gatekeep no spot for me. I'ma find that spot. I ain't really ask nobody, I ain't gonna lie, but I just know they gonna gatekeep it. So I ain't even bother asking. But we gonna find this spot. It's a fine little spot. It's like in front of like some elevators or some shit, like car elevators. I got like a general idea where it's at, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find it. Yeah, bro, flick up. Probably hit the tunnel to shoot some lanes. Not crazy, not crazy. But yeah, right now I'm headed to Sunoco. I'm gonna go get some 85. And then we're gonna meet up with the guys, and then we outside, man. Nice little cruise down to the MIE. Alright, we just went ahead and filled up. You see that ethanol content is going up by the second. Just trying to figure out how much she got in there, man. That go-go juice. I swear, I be forgetting how, well, I wouldn't say I forget, but on 85, this car, like, the pedal just gets so much more touchy, bro. Like, and at least to me right now, 'cause I usually always got a little bit in the tank. It just feels like normal. So when I don't have, when I have straight 93, that jump just feels so slow, dog. So slow. Yeah, we about to meet up with the guys right now, and then y'all gonna see that way Adrian grab. I know he ain't talk about it yet at the time of this recording, but by the time I post this, though, I'm sure he already posted about it. Man, that way about to go crazy, bro. Alright, we done pulled up to the gas station. Well, that boy London, that boy fashionably late. I'm waiting got into a little fender bender over there. I wonder what happened. But whip looking clean. Got a wide body outside. And we got the M. Got the freaking M. This guy got a freaking M, man. Look at the carbon. Shit glistening.
Bro, I'm trying to clean it, don't do that.
Shit glistening though. It's glistening though.
This shit got shit on it.
We got the carbon tops, got the carbon roof, got the carbon fucking wing, got the carbon fucking diffuser. This guy got carbon, this guy got more carbon than me. Talk to me.
Come on now.
Cause you feel me? They don't know though. Big 6-speed, stop playing.
Big 6-speed, kid.
Big 6-speed, man. Then we'll go ahead and set that out.
Yeah.
Big 6-speed though, we lit. Oh yeah. This shit too fire. But you got this shit already tuned and everything, bro. That shit. I feel like 6-speed M, bro, is just so much aura, bro. Shit holds so much aura. Shit crazy. I can't wait. I can't wait to see this shit run, bro. This shit finna be fire. And we got London pulling up. The guy, the man, the myth, the freaking legend. So yeah. Alright, everybody's here. We about to go ahead and head out soon. And then yeah, we outside, man. My baby girl chiefing right now. Chill out, girl. Chill out. There's no smoking area. Yo, it's cold outside, man. These intakes talking to me, bro. Intakes talking to me, boy. Yeah, so we definitely found that motherfucker. There's definitely people here already, which is actually hilarious, bro. This TikTok ass spot, bro. Damn, that's actually hilarious. So people already here. Let's see what we about to do, bro. This shit that became a whole car meet. We got Porsche right here, M2, M4, M3. We got the dogs out. We was in the middle of the road, but big ass semi truck came, so we had to move. But yeah, bro, shit just turned into a car meet. Oh, I thought that was Tyler Hero, bro. But freaking yeah, as y'all see, downtown with it. It looks like so that's the heater in right there. Looks like they got. I don't think they got a game going on. I feel like it'll definitely be more traffic, but I don't know. It's some type of event going on, bro. Cause I know them boys out of town. Unless somebody got practice or something. I don't know, like open practice. But I'm about to go ahead and hit this other garage. We banned it from the other spot because y'all seen them boys just left their cars and then
that nigga run.
Just please.
Sorry.
You gonna affect some people.
Sorry.
But yeah. Buddy at the other spot was on some different time along with them boys just leaving their whips in the middle of the road, bruh. So yeah, we just cleared it from that spot. We about to hit this garage right here though. Big Bayside. So
oh my god.
What the fuck? Yo. What the fuck? Okay. Leave, bro. I'm about to hit that girl right there and that junk will be fine. I love Miami drivers, boy. When it comes to getting to a lane, boy, that shit gets serious. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a mean pothole. I think I still hit that motherfucker. Oh my god. Yo, Mexico deep today. Why everybody traveling, bro? God, dog. I did not expect to see so many people in Mexico tonight. It's crazy work. I done lost the guys. I don't know where none of them boys at. Yeah, it's tough, bro. Can't get no film. Anytime I had to Chile. I probably gotta cut that out. Yeah, into the city now. Mexico looks so fire, bro. I swear. Crazy. Golly. Yo, this shit sounds crazy, bro. Yo, this nigga's FRG80. That shit sounds wild. That shit sounds crazy, bro. Holy shit. Look at that exhaust. I don't know if y'all can see that, bro. That shit all golden junk, but got money. And the whip full of people. Crazy word. Whip full of people. Nigga, that shit got loud. Yo, God. I think so, yeah. I think so. nigga hit anti-lag or what? Man? Shit. Yeah, bro. I wonder, is he? I wonder where he going. That boy definitely going the same way as us. You can hear that intake, boy. This is our stop, sir. As y'all boys seen right there, that junk got crazy out of nowhere, bro. Random ass M3 just put up out of nowhere. It's 2025 too, bro. I don't think I even got the best of it. That boy did some anti-lag. Oh my god. That car sounded devious, bro. And then we got two supers that just put up. I'm pretty sure that's Adrian homies. It's crazy. Twins. Twins. And then we got maybe four great cars now. Wild work, bro. Today's been a good night, even though we ain't been able to go to the spots that we wanted to hit. I mean, where we at right now, I say it's pretty vibing, pretty calm. Is this the Pagani shit? Yeah, look, it's a damn whole Pagani right here. We went to this spot a minute ago, probably 2 years ago, me and my lady. But look at that, bro. It's a whole Pagani. I want to say Roadster. I don't know much about Paganis, but just chilling right there. And then there's a life-size model, or not life-size, like quarter size or some shit model right there. Just tough. I'm tough. You gotta hit back that first spot though, bro. That joint was smooth tough, bro. We about to get a whole photo shoot in. Oh, I can't wait to see how that bit come out.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. You can't tell me it's just no tough. But we got BMW Q60, you feel me? F8, you feel me? G80, super, just fire, dog. Look at them eyes. Them eyes. Oh my goodness. W shoot. Wait, let me finna hit it, and then we finna hit this other spot. Yeah, we'll probably call it a night. Hell of a night. This shit is so tough, bro. So damn tough, bro. Good y'all boys. Yeah, last night I didn't even finish recording, bro, cause we got back dumb late. So, but yeah, we already see the Z all dismantled right now. But I'll probably go ahead and talk about that in the next video. But yeah, bro, hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, leave a like and subscribe. I believe you already know the vibes. Marcos.